Few people talk very well in class without any fear, and for few people it's very tough task to do speak in class. So in this video we will learn how to overcome fear of talking in the class. So this is Karthik and welcome to Karthik Mettu YouTube channel. So I personally given us seminars in a class and talked many times in a class, around 50 times from my degree to my PG, which is MBA. So I got a chance to speak many times, and I did many times talk in the class, and I gave seminars, and I gave speeches on the stage. So how did I overcome? So when I am a Telugu medium guy who who always uh, want to speak in front of stage, so I have some that enthusiasm. So for people who don't have that enthusiasm but really want to improve their communication and talk in front of people and talk in front of students and teachers, for them it's they should start with preparation. So they should when you are starting something, you should prepare well when you're starting initially. For people who already habituated for the speaking, they can go with the less preparation also, but who are starting newly, wanted to give speech or seminar, they need to prepare well. Before going to seminar, they should prepare well the topic. And one more thing, starts small. So for people who are not uh, like having lot of fear to talk in front of people in the class, they can start by just talking few words and talking like talking to the answering the questions that teachers ask. So they should try giving answers. Even though some people knows the answer, they will not give answers in the classroom, even though they are correct, but they don't give. So you should overcome by giving answers small time, like few times you should start giving answers. Then you will be habituated to the class and you will try to overcome that fear. And one more thing, when you're starting something, when you're giving seminar, don't think about what people thinks. So when you're starting, you should, when you're giving seminar, we should think about the seminar. So how you're delivering, not about the outcome. Why we do think about outcome? Because we will focus on outcome only, we will not focus on how we should deliver. So when you focus on your duty, like which means you should deliver the speech, if you focus on this element, you will not fear of what people thinks. And one more thing, you should have confidence on yourself. Believe that you can do anything. Believe that if I try something, I can be good at anything. Even though you are underconfident, make yourself to be confident by self talk. Make talk with yourself positively, saying that you can do. If you're underconfident, say that if you try something, if you learn something, you can do anything, you can say. And start practicing speaking in front of camera or in front of mirror, and try to posture how, like, try to improve your postures, gestures. So it will be useful when you're giving seminar or talk in front of people real timely. And one more thing, gradually improve. So when you start initially, you start answering to the teacher's question, and sometimes start speaking to your friends for 1 to 2 minutes, and start speaking with group of people to 1 to 2 minutes. Then when you get opportunity to talk in front in the crowd, on the stage, in the classroom, to give seminar, try for like few minutes, like 1 to 2 minutes, that's enough to try. So gradually you should improve. And when you believe, when you got to know that you are improving, and never step back when you're getting opportunities. Keep be the first person who want to grab that opportunity and go in front of people and start talking. So this will improve a lot, your communication will be improved. And take feedback, always take feedback with your friends or the crowd who willing to give feedback, whether it is positive or negative. Work on negative feedback, and prepare for the next seminar, and rectify that errors and mistakes that you are doing when you are giving seminar. And always uh, always, what is that, be ready when you're gradually improving yourself be ready to get and grab that opportunity. So like this way you should overcome the fear of talking in classrooms. First, habituated for the class, talk with the group of people, and talk with friends, and improve that friend circle, and talk with others also. Then you will be feel like, okay, they are my friends, I can talk with in front of them, it's okay to talk with them. You will feel easy to talk with them, and start giving answers to the questions that teachers ask frequently. Some people know everything but they don't ready to give answers because of fear. You just start speaking in the classroom, then it will help you to improve your overcome your fear of talking in classroom. And try to interact with new people. Don't be comfort zone, and don't be the people who always be with them. So try to interact with new people, then you will be good at interacting people, and your maturity will be increased, and you will not get fear if new persons or new people is there in audience. So this will be helpful you to overcome your fear in classroom. And like what did I means I used to talk where I will get opportunity, and I have that passion to talk in front of people. So whether it is English and Telugu, I doesn't think that you should start talking in English only when you are starting something. No, if you are whatever the language you are comfortable, go and talk in front of people. So that will help you to overcome fear, and habituate for the class. And what did I do in my degree? If I get fear, I will jump into it, and I want to overcome that fear. So I will not think. If you are getting fear and if you're still struggling to go, that fear will increase. So you should step on, and you should try new, and you should take challenge. You should do self talk. Why I'm scaring, why I'm even not having enough dare to go in front of and talking people. You should talk with yourself, and you should motivate, come on, you can do it. Like that, you should motivate yourself to talk in front of camera. Like this you can overcome your fear. For few people it's very difficult and very tough task to talk in front of people. For them, you should start talking with your friends, and increase that friend circle, and talk with others also, and talk in front of group of people. Likewise you can improve, otherwise there is no other chance to improve. Just just talk, no problem. Don't think about what others say. Like for few minutes you will be roasted by them, but after some times, that you can't control. What people thinks you can't control. What you can control is how you can deliver. So that what you can control. If you like this video, do follow Karthik Mettu YouTube channel for more such helpful tips. Thank you.